Hello my watermelon, so today I'll be making egg tarts. So I need to take this pastry roll out first. And thank you for 500 subscribers. I'm very happy, and this is celebration for 500 subscribers. And after I've undone the pastry, I have to make it into a snail again, which is roll it back up again. So then I can cut it. So now, let me just put some flour first on my board. Spoon. And then now we have, oh my gosh, we have our pastry, and let's get our pastry out first. Oh no, the end of the pastry has gone, but that's okay. Okay, now let's roll it back into a snail. And then after, we're going to cut it, and then we're going to roll it, like make it flat, and then we're going to put it in our baking tray, or cupcake maker tray thing. I don't know. So we have this. It might not be too tight. I mean, it might not be tight enough. So there. Now we have to be very careful with this knife, and this is a kind of blunt knife, so I didn't get hurt. Yeah. So it has to be at least 1 finger thick, like this. Okay, now let's put our little knife at the side, and then now let's coat all of these in flour. We have a whole pile of these Jenga pastries. Now let's put all of these to the side. I should stack them. Now we are going to roll them with my rolling pin. Okay, let me get my rolling pin, and I need some flour on my rolling pin. And then now we take our little pastries, and then we don't want any holes, so then we squeeze them, and then we roll them out. And then after rolling, we're going to put it in our tray. We're going to lay them out like this. And don't forget to put some oil on your tray to make it not stick. So here, and then you gotta put it really in there, so that you can get more egg stuffing. Then now another one, and then we squeeze it first. So now I have finished all of them, and they look like this. And now I have to do the eggs inside of them. And we crack it in this bowl to see if the egg is good enough to go in there. So this is good. We turn them. I got another egg. We crack it, and this one's good too. And now we can mix them with your whisk, mine, whisk. And then we can add some sugar. I like to add 40 grams of sugar, but you can add any. So here's the sugar, and I'm going to add it in. And then after, we can add some vanilla extract and evaporated milk. Now I'm going to pour it in here, so then we can mix it more. Okay, so now we have cream and evaporated milk and milk inside. So this is evaporated milk. And we have added cream and milk. So now I'm going to add this mixture into my eggs. And don't spill it like I just did, because that's bad. Now we mix it. So now we add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So let me get the extract. And now we put it in there. And then we mix it. And then now, after mixing, we can pour it into our molds. Now I'm gonna pour it, and up to here is okay. Like this. And then a bit more maybe. Now I have finished this tray, and we are going to put it in the oven. And now we have it. Now we have cooked all of them, and then now we can put it on this tray to rest. So we just take all of these. The oven that we cooked it like 12 to 15 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you try this recipe too. This is delicious. And you can microwave it back when it's cold, and it tastes so good. Thank you. Bye.